It's snowing. Ah. I've never seen snow like this. Wow, this is so cool. Let's go back. It's so cold. Jadi aku sekarang akan jalan sama teman aku ke Red Camp dan muter-muter Oxford intinya buat lihat snow yang udah turun. I just bought bread. It's a tuna melt toasty. Now I'm walking to Red Camp. Let's go. This is honestly the first snow of Oxford, my first snow in Oxford. I'm so excited. It's the Red Camp. Red Camp. It's the Red Camp. Radcliffe camera. I'm searching for my friend now. I don't know what. Oh, they're there. So pretty. Hi guys, how are you?
I'm good, and
Long
you?
time no see.
Remember?
Yeah, see? It's so cool, right?
It's so cool.
Oh, this is one of those montages where you play music in the background, then you
Dun,
just
dun,
show
dun,
that.
dun. It's like the intro.
Oh,
Dun,
okay.
dun. Hi Adrian.
I'm Adrian.
Yes?
I've been following Kezia's vlog for a very long time. I will subscribe after this. So, like and subscribe.
Antwerp.
This
I'm
is
a
where we
really-
got matriculated, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Sheldonian.
Sheldonian.
We are in the city of Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah,
Stop, stop,
it's
stop.
true. The winter wonderland.
It's a bit like.
It's like just looking at us.
Wow! So pretty. Ta-da!
I'm so like impressed of that camera. It looks so futuristic.
I know, right? Future.
Oh wow, look at that. Guys!
Oh my god!
Yo, watch it! Look at that!
It's a snowy day in Oxford. 1, 2, 3! Yeah, yeah.
Does this
That
work?
looks good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Work.
Oh, it has a tail.
Why
Like
did
this
you
eye-
put the eyes so... no, they need to be lower. Why are they so
Lower?
high?
No, how low? How low?
Like here.
How that's so low?
Yeah, it's cuter if they're lower.
Okay.
True.
That's the rule.
Wanna just sleep here? Guess what we're trying to make, guys? It's kind of scary. It was so sad that the snow only lasted for one day. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!